And it's going to be a close call for those ceremonies before the game tomorrow because thunderstorms will be pushing through the area, but they may clear out just in time for the game. It's the pregame activities that are still at risk of storm. Showers are still possible during the game as well, though, so it is worth bringing a poncho and rain boots with you to the game. We'll just have to watch really closely the afternoon leading up to that when there are thunderstorms possible. The most likely time in the Baltimore area between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. where we'll get downpours and lightning. That alone causes problems for outdoor activities. You'll want to have a safe plan to get indoors if there's lightning near you. But there may also be isolated severe winds that come in with some of the stronger storms. So there's at least a small risk for severe weather across central and eastern Maryland. We're in this green here, which represents the level 1 out of 5 severe risk. The risk goes a little higher in that yellow that you see across northeast Maryland and up through Philadelphia. So those storms may be a little bit more potent. In fact, as you get into Pennsylvania and parts of New Jersey, that may be the focus of maybe isolated tornadoes with the storms tomorrow. And it's all because of this cold front that's going to swing through during the afternoon tomorrow. Out ahead of that, the skies are still mostly clear, but the clouds will be increasing late tonight and through the day tomorrow. Temperatures are staying really warm as it's humid, so we're falling through the 70s only overnight. You hardly need to think about a jacket. And tomorrow's going to be warm again as we'll climb into the 80s with still that high humidity. But again, it's mainly the afternoon and evening at around 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. we're most likely to have the threat of thunderstorms. And in that time frame, there may also be some of those severe winds. By 9 o'clock, still dealing with some showers, but at least the lightning and wind threat has ended by then. Few of those showers could even linger into Sunday morning. So you'll see this on the future radar. By 1 and 2, isolated storms could pop up, but the next round looks more widespread. But it may not get here until about 5 and 6 p.m. That timing is not great for those pregame ceremony activities at Camden Yards. But in time for the game, all of that could be clearing to the east, and then showers again could last Saturday night into Sunday morning and then clear out the rest of Sunday. That's great timing because we want clear skies on Sunday night when we have the full moon. It's called the corn moon when it happens in the month of September. And so you'll want to check that out on Sunday night. As the sun is setting, the moon will be coming up to the west. 7-day forecast with those thunderstorms likely tomorrow afternoon, but you've got dry weather in the morning. You've got dry weather the second half of Sunday. Noticing Sunday, though, it's starting to get cooler again in the 70s. We'll be in the 70s for much of next week with really low humidity, and that means cooler nights ahead when we dip into the 50s. Then we briefly warm again by next Thursday.